Hey everybody, Mark Edward Lewis here from CinemaSound.com. Today we're going to be doing another video in the series of comparing and contrasting Adobe Premiere Pro with Davinci Resolve's Fairlight page. Let's take a look at their reverbs, and this will be the Adobe Premiere Pro algorithmic reverb versus the Resolve Fairlight page reverb. Let's roll. All right, we're here in both Davinci Resolve and Adobe Premiere Pro, which you probably shouldn't have running at the same time, but that's just how this goes for this demonstration. We've got a piece of audio here that has both been recorded on set with a lavalier, which is very, very dry and going to simulate for us voiceover or ADR, and then a shotgun microphone where you're going to be able to hear the room. And what we want to do with this reverb plugin for post-production purposes now is try to match that room as best we can with ease and, quickness, speed. For music, obviously, algorithmic reverbs, we'd use them for a very different thing. But here in post-production, we really want to be able to just match for ADR and create real spaces. So here is the raw shotgun microphone.
May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep. That is all. May your
So you can just listen specifically for the reverb ring in the background.
May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep. That is all. May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep. That is all.
So you can hear it's a nice sounding room, actually, pretty nice. If we listen to the lavalier, and I'm actually going to turn off the EQ here that I've added to try to balance the lab with the shotgun.
May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep. That is all. May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep.
And the other?
That is all. May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep.
So when we add the EQ, it kind of helps just a little bit with the high frequencies that are lost in the lab.
May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep. That is all. May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep.
But it's obviously super dry. We want to have the order here of effects in Resolve at least, EQ, Dynamics, and Effects. And then we're going to pull up their reverb plugin, Fairlight. And there's only one here. You don't get any other kind of reverb.
That is all. May your eyes look sharp.
This is just a regular default. And you can see you've got some pretty basic parameters. You've got the pre-delay. You actually have a pre-delay. You can actually advance the delay ahead of time, which can be cool for effects. Overall brightness, distance, modulation, reverb time, early reflection, post-reflection, and then your dry wet and early reflection levels. Pretty simple stuff. Well, and pretty useful stuff. If we go here, and I've already actually made a preset that I think makes this sound pretty similar.
And your plasma burn deep. That is all. May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep. That is all.
And listening to the reverb itself.
May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep. That is all.
Let's turn up the dry wet just a little bit more.
May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep. That is all. May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep. That is all.
And then compare that with this.
May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep. That is all.
And that's pretty good. It's not going to be perfect only because these are two completely different microphones with different characteristics, but the reverb itself, you could use in ADR and make it work. And this took me to do this preset about 2.5 minutes of fooling around with these to get this to work. Let's take a look at the same thing in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here is, I think this is, dry signal.
That is all. May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep.
And here we've got the studio reverb. It doesn't look anywhere near as sexy as the one in Resolve, but you've got the room size, the decay, early reflections, how wide you want the pan spectrum, high frequency cut, in other words, stuff above this gets cut, low frequency cut, stuff below this gets cut, damping, kind of high frequency diffusion, and then your dry wet mix. You also have presets that are in here, general places to start. There's no convolutions, as you know, these are all algorithmic. It is very difficult to do a preset. In fact, it's impossible in Premiere to be able to take your reverb, if it's on a channel, and then turn it into a preset. You actually have to instantiate it on a clip, copy your settings over, and then do a preset. Very, very difficult, very, very flimsy. But let's see if we can make this sound any good with this reverb.
That is all. May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep.
There it is.
That is all. May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep. That is all. May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep.
And then if we listen to the raw.
That is all. May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep. That is all. May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep. That is all. May your eyes and your plasma burn deep. That is all. May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep.
Original?
That is all. May your eyes look sharp and your plasma.
I think this reverb might be just a little more low frequency, so we're going to take the cut down a little more.
Burn deep. That is all. May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep. That is all. May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep. That is all. May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep.
And the original?
That is all. May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep. That is all.
And that's also going to work. I think for me, this reverb sounds a little closer. It's got a few more bells and whistles to help it just innately sound better. But in terms of use and workability, the fact that we can't store this as a preset is a real drag. Let's just take a look, listen between these two. That'll be this, and just so that we can have a quick A/B, this and this. Here's it Resolve.
Your eyes look sharp. May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep. That is all.
And then Resolve, or
May your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep. That is all.
And Resolve.
Your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep. That is all. Your eyes look sharp and your plasma burn deep. That is all.
Yeah, I think the Premiere reverb sounds better, but I think it's more difficult to use. And again, the preset thing is kind of a super bummer. Whereas making presets here is just as easy as going plus, update your reverb preset. If you've got this one, let's say we'll update it. It automatically updates the Richard room that I already have. That's the actor's name. And you can just pull this up anytime you instantiate reverb. So for me, I would call the sound better for Premiere, but the workability better in Resolve, which gives it a wash. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you. If so, please subscribe to us here at YouTube. And there's hundreds of other videos to help you get that $1 million immersive value in your productions for your audience without increasing your budget. And definitely come visit us at cinemasound.com, where we have hundreds of articles that delve even deeper into how to do that, as well as the world's only fully comprehensive education in how to go from, I don't know anything from about audio, all the way to delivering in Dolby surround sound. 90 plus hours of education packed in, super power packed. Hopefully we'll see you at cinemasound.com. If not, we'll see you in post.
Even if you're stuck.